Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Now I'm going to be doing my little New York haul from when I bought some stuff while I was there, and I thought, you know what, let's make a haul video. There's going to be a fun little fashion section because, to be honest, I probably bought a decent amount of clothes that I could show off in this, but I'm going to run through them real quick with you guys. So without further ado, here is my little fun little fashion show for you guys, and I hope you enjoy.
Okay, so starting off, we have this peach orange t-shirt from Calvin Klein, which is so nice, so comfortable, which has a tiny little CK monogram logo and is very good and breathable for this time of year. And pairing that with some express denim jeans, which have this really nice waist on them that is a bit more of a stretch, but also looks quite good on as well. Moving on, we have this aqua t-shirt from CK, which is very breathable, very lightweight, perfect for summertime with that teal logo emblazoned on the front. It looks so good. And also we have from Old Navy in the men's sections, they had this Hello Kitty t-shirt which just sat there with an apple and a rainbow, perfect for this time of year. Also very breathable as well, and I've paired that with just the Meowth hat from the Pokemon store. As you can see, it is very oversized, which is a nice fit, and it's great and airy too, and it just feels so nice. We also have these paired with these Forever 21 swim shorts, which has this really nice pattern on it with some palm trees and just some other kind of bohemian looking shapes on there as well, which just kind of ties everything together and completes the whole look. For formal summer looks, I have this polo shirt, which is a quarter zip from CK, which I found in TJ Maxx for such a low price, and it just looks so nice on. I believe it's probably one of the golf ranges because it's super breathable, feels really nice, but also has that formal edge to it as well, making it a bit more summery. And then pairing that with these Express houndstooth trousers, which I believe are from the Express Premium range. Now these are heavily reduced from the closing down sale that they had, which was like a good 70 to 80% off. They have this beautiful houndstooth pattern, which you can see close up here in this blue and navy color. I just think it's perfect to wear for any formal occasion, especially in the summertime. Now, I couldn't leave New York without having a New York t-shirt with the big apple on the front. Now, this one isn't as touristy as most are, but this is from Old Navy. It's very flowy and oversized, just like the Hello Kitty shirt, and I think it's just perfect one as a souvenir. Now, I paired that with these holographic rainbow looking sheen, almost looks like liquid on jeans from Forever 21. Now these are the slim fit, but they have a mid-rise, narrow hip and slim leg on them, but they look really good, and it shows off the butt, the calves and the thighs so nicely. Just be aware that these are on the tighter side when you're sizing for these.
Now, leading off from that, as you can see, I had a gold chain around my neck, which I did get from Macy's. I treated myself at Macy's. I was like, you know, we hit some milestones this year and I want to like get myself a nice little gold chain. So I picked this one up. It looks like this. Don't have the price still of it. I think it was like reduced from $450 to $500 all the way down to $120. There was a big Memorial Day sale weekend when I was there, and I picked this up and I really love it. You know what? I'm going to actually buy a proper fine jewelry than the ones I've had before that just look really fake. I mean, for $120, it's actually quite good, and it fits really nice on too. I like it. That's pretty much it. I have to say, this is a very mixed bag of stuff. I'm gonna go off with like touristy things that I really enjoyed. I got the Starbucks Reserve Empire State Building flask. This was by Myrrh. It's a collaboration and it's just like a metal one. Really liked this. It just felt really nice, and I just like the whole print that's on there as well. I did pick up, when I went to New Jersey, the Discovery mug because I already have one of the flasks. One of my friends got me, and I don't know where it is, from New York, but I picked up the New Jersey mug, which is really pretty actually, and I didn't realize they had a thing for bees right there. So that's really cool. Blue on the inside. It's a very sturdy mug. I usually get one of these from each new state I visit, so I'm adding this to my little collection that I have. The next thing I have here is a little Empire State Building, which will go with my Eiffel Tower, and it literally just looks like this. It just says Empire State Building on this side, and then New York on this side, which I really like. So just a fun little Fun little one. I didn't see a Statue of Liberty. I think I probably had to get off of the island to probably get a Statue of Liberty one. Next up, video game wise, there's some video game stuff here. I bought Pikmin, 2 Yoshis, and of course the Raccoon Mario hat as well, which I think is like an exclusive, I want to say, and it's very comfortable, and it was only $20. I was like, okay, next time I'll get Luigi. But I thought it was so cute. I love raccoons and I love Mario, so a good fit for both. If you want to see a haul video of all my Nintendo stuff, it's all going to be on my gaming channel, so go over there to see the rest of that. Now, I walked a lot when I was in New York, and I literally had so many blisters that I needed Band-Aids. Now, the one I really liked was literally by Band-Aid, and it comes in this like nice little container, I have to say, that these Band-Aids come in. Just like that, you can put a keyring on it and just hold it and just have it on the go if you needed to. But then I also saw on Target that they had themed ones, and I haven't seen any themed ones here, at least in my looking for plasters. So I got the Mandalorian ones with Baby Yoda, and it's got like a baby Grogu here, or Yoda, whatever you want to call him, and the Mandalorian himself. And then I also got Pokemon ones, because why not? I am still a big child. So we have Gengar and we have Pikachu here, but I'm pretty sure there's probably Meowth and Psyduck in there as well. There's an offer on, if you bought all 3, you got so much money off. I was like, you know what, let me just take them all. Let me just take them all. And I went to like up of the Empire State Building, and you had to get your photos. I just done a little photo thing. I'll add in some photos. Old Spice Timber. This smells amazing. I usually have the Old Spice Fiji version, but now we have Timber. Still that blue. There's no aluminium or anything, so it doesn't leave any marks on it. Let me just do a little sweep of it. It smells so refreshing. The sandalwood in there smells really great too, so it doubles up as like a little fragrance, which I really enjoy. I love these so much. I always pick at least one up when I'm there, so I have a little stock of these. Skincare wise, I bought 2 under eye masks. I bought 2 of these ones which glow in this UV light, which I think is insane. This is the Green Caffeine Bright Eye Hydrogel eye pads, which look really good, and I've heard good things about these. And then the other one I got was Cryo Baby. These are the cooling ones that look like you're crying underneath, and they look like that. So I'm going to try these. I can get these in the UK, at least at the time. I think this one I can now. Moving on to some food related stuff. I'm probably going to try all these in a try video with my mom, or someone else if she doesn't want to do it, because get her to do all the trying of the food. She might be bored of it. These got me stopped at customs on the way back because they thought they were drugs. And that is the Toasted Coconut Mocha from Starbucks. It's from Coffee's limited edition. I wanted to try this. It looked quite nice. I like a mocha and I like coconuts, so why not? The other one I got was the Buttery and Smooth Notes Caramel flavored ground coffee to try. Yay! This is what cost me time to get home. The others that I picked up from market pantries and stuff in Target were the Energy Blue Raspberry drink, which I will try at some point as well in the future. We just got Celsius here in the UK, which I think is wild. So I just had a Peach Vibe, and it's probably one of my favorite energy drinks other than Red Bull. I did get the Celsius Live Fit, and these are the Kiwi Guava Lime ones. These are just little sachet packets you mix up, so there's 14 in there. The other one I got was the Dragon Fruit and Lime as well. So that's what they're like. I don't know if you guys like Celsius or you've ever tried them. I'm glad we have it here in the UK, but we don't have those little sachets. I think that is it for all of the stuff that I have hauled from New York. It was a lot. It was a lot of stuff. It was mostly more of the clothing, because there's so many sales on for Memorial Day weekend. There was just bargains to be had everywhere. Bargains, bargains, bargains. Go on a Memorial Day weekend. Go when you know there's a sale, because you will save so much money. I actually had more leftover money like 3 days before I left. So I kind of spent more money on experiences. So I done the City Pass, I done all these other places. I will do a vlog eventually. I'll compile all the footage together to make a fun little vlog for you guys so you can see it of everything I did, and some photos too, because I'm gonna have to update my Instagram. That's it for me, guys. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an awesome day wherever it may be, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, sorry, I think the video just ended that you were just watching, but don't worry. You can leave a comment down below, tell me what you thought about the video, what was your favorite part, or any suggestions you might have. But also, while you're at it, make sure to hit that like button so you can help grow the channel some more. Wait, you want more videos? Okay, well, you can subscribe right here and get any of those fun updates or any new notifications of giveaways, videos, or anything else straight to your inbox first. Or you can click right here to get one of my hand-picked videos just for you, and you can go binge it if you want. So thank you, and have an awesome day wherever you may be. Bye-bye.